explained that the government of Secretary International has confirmed upon JK Camel Demon Zone in the rank of Beat Belt Guard of Shizonu Karado. Signed by Shihan Joel Batibar, signed by Sensuki Birit, signed by Yusuf Zaweta Yulabar. Okay, remind ko lang guys, yung may mga passport, yung may mga passport po sa dojo natin, yung mga wala pang passport, follow by your speed. Okay.
Top 1.